The Penobscot County Sheriff's Office is investigating after a tractor was stolen from a Bangor farm equipment supplier. Police say the theft happened early Sunday morning at Greenway Equipment on Hammond Street. Surveillance photos show the tractor loaded onto a trailer around 2:15 Sunday morning. Greenway says it's a 1980s Boland's compact utility tractor with a front-end loader and turf tires. Anyone with information is asked to call the Penobscot County Sheriff's Office at the number on your screen or leave a tip through their mobile app.